Hey you-uns, welcome back to my channel, Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro and no outro. It's just this hoe. How are you guys today? Getting ready for the weekend. Yeah. I have a haul video for you, and this is a very eclectic haul. Some of it's new stuff, some of it I bought pre-loved. Let's see what all I have. I have a Christian Dior item today. 2 Tory Burch items, a Michael Kors bag, I know, 3 pairs of slides. Let's see, that would be Lacoste, Champion, and Tory Burch. And I think that's it. Oh no, Tiffany, my Mother's Day gift. So when I tell you it's all over the place, my spending habits have been crazy. I have to show this bag first because I'm over here sitting thinking. I never get things right in my head. I just go off the cuff. I was on one of the selling sites, and I don't know why this came up. I guess because my name is Winnie. This bag came up, and I haven't bought Michael Kors in a long time. I just really haven't. Nothing really catches my eye with Michael Kors. I don't dislike Michael Kors at all. I've always carried at least, you know, a backpack. And I still have a white Michael Kors backpack. But I just got rid of all of them because I just wasn't carrying and grabbing for them. But this little tote came up. I don't know why. You know how eBay will do and all the other selling sites, like, hey, you like this, you'll probably love this. So it was one of those recommended items. And I was like, well, let me look at that girl. I got on there and noticed that it had my name in the title. And I was like, what's this girl trying to say? She got a bag? Okay. It's the Winnie tote. I am not lying. If I'm lying, I'm dying, girl. Look at this. It says it right there. I'll have to probably snap a picture, but it says it. You can't hardly see it, but it says the Winnie tote. Small tote. Winnie small tote. Well, first of all, Winnie and small, yes. Because I don't hardly ever use that in my name, girl. But I just thought, for no other reason than I have to have a tote that has my name. Because if you guys remember, if you have a weird name or a different name or something that's not, you know, Carol or, you know, Barbara or something, Susan, and nothing against that, I'm just Kim. Those names you always found when you were looking at, like, at the beach, you were looking for a souvenir, you were always looking for, like, your name and the tons of, you know, pencils and pads of paper and keychains and all that stuff. You were always going to find, you know, the most common name. I would sweep right to the W's. Yeah, it would go from Winifred to Wendy, or Wendy to Winifred. Never did I ever find my name. So when I find something that's got my name on it, girl, I've got to buy it. So I did buy this tote. I think it's cute. It's a black, like, nylon Michael Kors Winnie small tote for the win. I love it. I'm crazy about it. I'll carry it. I actually will carry it. All right, to all you mothers out there, it's almost Mother's Day, and grandmothers and fathers and everybody that is in that mothering role, sisters, brothers, fathers, I don't care, daughters, whoever is celebrating Mother's Day this weekend, happy Mother's Day to you. I always beg my husband for something outrageous and crazy, and this year was no different. This is so funny because I told Yota that you know what, I really want these things and I'm going to get them. And she was like, wait, do you drink coffee? And I was like, no, girl, I don't. Anyway, I started drinking coffee again last week because I got really tired and I was like, I need to pick me up. And we always have coffee in the house. And I don't know, it just seemed like Cinder friggin' Rella, I need to start drinking coffee again. So I did. And not a minute too soon, because I really have wanted these, and there's no good reason. This is an influenced item. What's her name? Rich Australian lady, Couture, Jerusha Couture, yeah. You know, she makes coffee when she does her vlogs, and she's always using these little paper cups from Tiffany, and they're bone china. And I love Tiffany items, girl, but like Yoda said, Yoda was like, girl, do you drink coffee? I'm like, not really, not enough to warrant, and I probably will never drink them out of this, and they'll probably just sit in my hutch or china cabinet downstairs for the rest of time. It was just an impulse buy, and, you know, my husband said, well, if that's what you really want for Mother's Day, go for it. So he let me get these for Mother's Day, and it's whatever. Stupid purchase for me, but I really actually do like these, and I will display them proudly. So if you come over to my house, girl, I'll get these little cups out, and we'll have some coffee or some Coca-Cola or something. Okay, so I have to show you a couple of little items that I bought on Etsy that I just think are so cute and very reasonably priced. I think I got this less than $20, and if you remember, if you just saw Yota's birthday haul from me, I got her one in blue and pink CCs. I got myself a bucket hat, girl. I just think it's so cute. I love it. And this guy has an embroidery, I can't say that, embroidery, where they go on there and, you know, use a machine and put initials and stuff on it. And so he had a few of these hats, and I thought, oh, those are so cute. I mean, if it really was Chanel, what would it be? $2,000? I don't know. But for maybe $15. I'll link this. They have different colors, and he does different initials. If you want your own initials on there, he will custom make it for you. But I just thought these were super cute. And I bought one for Yota, and I bought one for me. I will link them. This bag I put on my Instagram the other day because it was one of those, remember I've been buying my little grandbaby, just little baby bags. My hair's all messed up now. Little tiny baby bags for her for when she can carry them. Right now she's just a little over a month old, so she's not doing nothing. But I bought one of these, and then when it came in, it had a C and a G. Like, it couldn't figure out whether it was trying to be one bag or the other. So it was a little plastic emblem, and it just pulled right off. And so I pulled it off, and then I stuck, this was like 25 bucks. I stuck an earring right here that I bought at Amazon last year. And then I put one of my Amazon straps on it. And girl, doesn't this look just like one of the Chanel vanity cases? But yeah, it didn't come in like this. I did this myself. So I'm going to link this for you too. Something I got on Etsy the other day. I just thought was so cute. I guess when she gets old enough to carry it, I'll have to surrender it back to the baby. Now girl, getting into that Tory Burch. LV Luxe Girl has this bag with a chain top handle or chain handle. And I love the color. It's called Crazy Pink, I think. But I could not find it because they don't have it right now for sale. Tory Burch doesn't have this bag actually for sale right now. So I hunted everywhere, and I found a seller on eBay. And I just thought, yes, she must be in my collection. I just love the top handle bit. I love the Crazy Pink. I love the quilting. This is called the Kira bag, by the way. And LV Luxe Girl has one, and I've always been like, oh, I got to be a twin with her. I've got to, because I love her collection too. So I had to have one. So I bought this when it got here, girl. Oh yeah, Marlboro, a pack of it. They did not disclose that they were heavy smokers. So it has been a fight to get the smell of cigarettes out of this bag. I mean, just tell somebody, you know, this is the second item I've gotten, and it's just been smoked up. I'm hard pressed to buy anything if they say they smoke, but just tell me so I can move on to the next item. But anyway, that's the only problem that I had with this little bag, but I think it's super cute. It comes with a little crossbody strap, and it also comes with this little chain detail, which is very tarnished, I'm assuming, from all the smoking going on in her house. So, anyhow, I need to shine up the brass on this. But I absolutely adore the look of this bag. I don't know what about it just captured my heart, man. I had it on a few places and they got gone, and then I was like, I better. So I kind of got this down a little bit. I think these are like $500 if you were to buy a Kira bag right now. They're very costly on the site. But girl, I'm not going to pay that for that. And especially this one because it had been smoked on so much and carried. And if she disclosed it, I probably would have talked her down more because that's like a deterrent. But anyhow, I got this little bag and I do adore it. Sticking with Tory burch. Yes. We did go on and order. Now I put this on Klarna. Is it Klarna or Afterpay? One of those where you can pay a little bit every couple weeks till it's paid off, because these are costly and I just went a little bit crazy. I probably shouldn't have bought these. It was against my better judgment, but man, oh man, I'd seen a few people unbox and check it out. How super fancy is Tory burch, yo? Yes. Okay. So as you can see, they are footwear, but what are they? Oh, I've got the box upside down. She has such great packaging, really. Comes with shoe dust bag. It's always a great touch. Tory, girl, I love you. Yes, we're best friends. Okay. The Miller Cloud sandals. Oh, girl. They're the best of both worlds because they're super soft, Birkenstock looking heel or sole. Okay. And then this detail of the Tory Miller sandal on the top. What? I had a fit. I really wanted all brown, but these have like daisies all over the sole. I don't mind that. I really don't. I just think they're super cute. Kind of from a distance looks like it's cork or something, but no, it's little daisies. So yeah, got my size of 8.5. Hopefully my fat foot syndrome will work in there. I saw a guy, YouTuber, buy these and he put them on, and I thought, well, girl, if his foot, he's a guy, right? So if his foot fit, mine will fit in there. Surely. Who's Shirley? Please, Shirley, let it be. So that is my Tory burch stuff. I went on a little bit of a slide haul, and again, not to beat a dead horse, but Yota, you've got to stop influencing me, girl. It's too much, but her slides are so cute, and she always talks about her slides, and she wants more slides too. So I got on that slide bus hard and heavy, and I went on and bought these on Amazon. I will try to link them for you, but I just thought these were super cute, pink, and they say Champion on the toe. Because, you know, I love Champion shirts. I got a bunch at Sam's a while back, and my husband and I wear them all the time. So, we're big fans. But, yes, girl, yes. So, I got those. And then, I think I got these actually before. I found these on Amazon as well. And these are the Lacoste little alligator slides, which are so cute. I think these were from last year because I tried to go on the Lacoste website and they don't have this actual pair. But I fell in love with these because I saw them on Amazon. I was like, I gotta have them. But I saw an ASOS. Is that it? ASOS? They actually carry these too right now. So get these. These are fabulous. They're like $40. I don't have any really expensive. Well, those Tory burch, girl, those are over $200. That's why I had to put them on Afterpay. It's like, she has not sold enough bags to be buying that nonsense. Not today, devil. Okay, so you know Autumn Beckman. She was saying that, you know, the other day she sold, she did a little vlog sale of a bag that she found on the Real, and they do this. They will put a picture of one thing and describe it as something, and then it will be something else. Anyway, she found a really good deal on, I believe it was a Rebecca Minkoff bag, and they had it listed as Kate Spade. Well, I started going through there because I was like, yes, yes. Okay, so I found this vintage Christian Dior trench in a 40, it's a man's, in a 40 regular. And, okay, this wasn't the picture on it. Girl, it was clearanced out. It was over 70% off. And the picture on it was actually a Burberry trench. Not that I don't like this, but I thought they had messed up. But what they did was they put the description of a Christian Dior trench, and they put the picture of an oversized Burberry man's trench coat on there. And I was like, yes, I'm buying that. Wah, wah. When it got here, it was actually what it was described as, which is a nice, nice jacket. It does fit me. But I don't even know where I'm going to wear this thing to. I don't know. I got a little excited when I thought it was going to be, it's Burberry for the price of what? Yeah, so I did that thing and I bought it, but I've got it on my little Mercari store up for sale right now because I don't know. I think it's beautiful. If it had been Burberry, girl, yes, I would keep it. But it's a vintage Dior, and it's cool, and it's very nice, and it looks really nice and new. But I don't know. I'm not digging it as much. I might even send it back. I'm not sure. I thought I'd rent it up the old flagpole and see if somebody wanted to buy it on my Mercari store, but I've got it. It fits. I just don't know where I'm going to wear it to. Well, there she is. That is my haul video for today. I've had a whole lot of fun filming this and looking at all my doodads. And when I was getting all the stuff ready, I was like, oh yeah, I bought that. Oh wait, I forgot. I went on Etsy and bought that the other night. Yeah. I'm going to link the stuff that is available on Etsy and Amazon for you. So definitely check out those. Listen, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, comment down below. We will discuss everything within reason. I don't know. You know me, I'll talk about anything. I don't care. And listen, if y'all see my husband though, for real, don't tell him nothing. Bye.